What's up guys, Lycan Blades here, and in today's video we have something pretty fun that I'm excited to do and show you guys. For those of you who don't know or didn't see my Instagram story, I got into anodizing yesterday, and this was my first ever attempt on an anodization. I originally wanted to do a kind of polished green and then mirror polish my blade. That way it would kind of remind me of my magnet that I used to have, but I couldn't get the green to come out right and I don't have the tools to polish anything. So I just said, you know what, fuck it. And I sent it. And honestly, it's kind of like a Bifrost rainbow type deal, and I dig it. But this is not the knife this video is about. Today's video, we are going to be taking my eye bass, which I've already done a little bit of experimenting on, as you can see, that I got from Will Hirsch from their review back in the day, and I'm going to be anodizing it gold, or trying to. I'll show you my process, how I do things, all my new tools and everything. I don't have my ultrasonic cleaner yet. That is supposed to be here today, but I would love to get this video done early in the morning before it gets too damn hot. So yeah. And today's Monday. I do have a knife in the mail. It should be here at some point today in the P.O. box, so as soon as that post office is open and operational, I should have it available for pickup. Which you will then see this knife again, but it'll be anodized. So, no, this is not the knife that I'm carrying today. This is not the knife I'm carrying today. This is just showing what I've done. This is what I'm going to do. As per usual, ever since I got it, today, I'm carrying my pretty Aeon, which I enjoy a hell of a lot more than both of these. But yeah, I will not be doing the unboxing with this knife. I will be doing it with this knife, just to give it a little extra showtime, because I have not recorded with it in fucking who knows how long. So yeah. And this is why I don't flip it. It's a nice knife. It's a nice and heavy handle bias knife, which I do like, but it doesn't do things the way I want it to do them most of the time. So yeah. And no, it will not be up for sale or trade. I will be keeping this because it is a fantastic beater, even though I don't beat her. This was my beater before I anodized it. Now it looks all pretty, and I don't know if I want to beat it anymore. Like, if you take a look at that blade, you can see all the chips. I'm gonna run my fingernail across it. It's all icy smooth. Then fingernail starts to dig in because of all the chips and shit in there. But yeah, stick around to see the anodization process that I do on this thing specifically, and I hope you enjoy it. See you there. Alright guys, welcome back. We are at the ano setup. I'm sorry it is a mess. My roommate kind of got a hold of it and he destroyed a lot of it. He made it a very big mess. I'm going to be using my phone as a secondary camera so that I can show you guys some things that the overhead will not. So, hey guys, this is phone camera. This is my voltage is at 52.02. I have my anode set up here, which is just a Sagaya trainer blade. I don't have a butter knife. This is already prepped. This is already prepped. This is already prepped. This is just this rust stain remover, and it removes all anodization. So yeah, I'm gonna try and have this set up like here something so that y'all can see the colors actually change. but I don't have anything to weigh it down properly, so yeah. Alright. Now I'm going to be anodizing the eye bass, like I said a minute ago. I still need to take her apart. I got her pivot screws out and everything, but now I got to get the pivots. Which, based off the chart that I was looking at, 52 volts should get me a gold-ish color. So I am indeed hopeful that I will be getting a gold-ish color. But I will not be getting my hopes up, because last time I did not get the green that I wanted, and I got a Bifrost ano because I gave up. So yeah, grab this, clean out the pivots and everything. Oops. I mean, yeah, technically this is already going to be cleaned out by all of that, but I want to make sure that none of this oil gets into the anobath. Which, yes, I should be wearing gloves. I should be. I have them. But it is so hot out here that if I take them off, it will be like a swamp. Quite literally. So, fuck that. Okay, that's done. I have two handles. I'm going to do one at a time. This. Make that a little bigger, maybe. There we go. I'm now going to dip that for a second. I'm now going to dip it in here. And hopefully I don't remove too much material. I'm going to dip it. I hope y'all can see this. I just dipped it in here. So I cleaned it. I washed it. I'm now going to dip it in here. Wash it off again. Okay, now this is the exciting part. I don't have enough hands. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna clip it like that with the alligator clip. I'm going to grab my phone again and start recording. So, I have this hooked up, 52.02. I'm seeing a lot of stuff come off of this. That's not a good sign. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of particles. That means something was not cleaned fully. Which sadly means I will be going again. So, take two. Alright. I mean, it's not a bad looking color. I guess I figured dipping it in there would clean all the dirt out of the actual things here, but I guess it didn't, so I don't know if I can use this anymore. I seem to have lost my titanium wire, so I'm gonna grab a new one. And I'm going to try again. Dip it in for a little bit longer this time. I think I got all the color off of it, which I just touched again, which I should not have done. I should not be touching this at all. So I'm going to dip it in the alcohol to clean off any oils. Dip it back in here. There's still some color on it, which really sucks. But, you know. Yeah, you can really see that previous color. I mean, that's not a bad color. But it's not what I'm going for at all, so. Let's try and do 50, which means I need to etch this again, get all the color off of it. Actually get all the color off of it this time. Seems that I have actually gotten all the color off of it this time, so I need to try not to wash this too much because it'll leave a really matte color. Dip this back in here. So that's kind of a tealish. Okay, I think that's as close to a gold as we're gonna get. It's kind of a bronzish gold, and I'm happy with that. So that is what we are gonna go with. I am happy with that. It is going to be a fingerprint magnet for damn sure. As you can already see, it is a fingerprint magnet because it is a low voltage. But that is done. So let's do the next one. This one I'm going to let sit in the acid a little bit longer than I should so I can try and get rid of all that dirt, all that finger skin shit. think I got it all off. I'm gonna clip this. I'm gonna start recording with my phone one more time so I can get this. It's now purple. There was more shit in it again. Almost there. See, now it's coming out not the same. Let me add some more baking soda, see if that's the issue. Maybe someone who knows more than me can tell me what I'm fucking up. Maybe it is indeed the dirt bullshit that is in here now. Mix all this crap up. Okay, close enough. Power that back on, let it get up. 55.32. Take this out of here. Get it back in here. Do not let it touch that. It will not be fun day. Disconnect. Let's see. I think that looks pretty close now. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna dip these both in the alcohol, and I'll see you back outside, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I just finished the ano, finished putting everything back together. It's a little splotchy. I do need to get my hydrosonic cleaner, how the fuck you say that? I don't remember anymore. But once we get her in the sunlight, we can see exactly what I've done. There we go. So yeah, she's not perfect, but I like the look. Let's get in the actual sunlight. Hopefully that's not too much exposure. There we go. It feels good, looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's kind of a bronzish gold type deal. I can't really get those vibrant colors because I don't have any finishing media or a way to polish anything. Maybe in the future. But yeah, if you want something anodized, hit me up. Maybe I'll actually start offering that as a service on the side for those of you who want to support me. But question is, I don't know how much I would charge for it. What would you guys pay for an ano? I know a lot of you already pay like 45 bucks for the buffness to anodize your stuff, but I don't know if that's a price I'd be comfortable charging. That's a pretty high price. It's not that difficult. This thing needs to get tuned again. Or not again, it just needs to get tuned. This thing's been a little sticky for a while. Like since before I got it, so. I'll send it to Kareem or something to get tuned. But yeah, that's about it for this video. There's not really much else I can go into detail with. I'm trying to find the other Kraken. There we go. I've officially anodized 2 knives. What do you think? Honestly, I think they look pretty damn good. This one, I know for a fact, I cooked too long in the etch, so it does need to be tuned. At least one of the handles needs to be tuned. I think it's the safe handle. This one has always needed to be tuned, I just never got it done. So, yeah. But maybe after the ano wears out, or breaks in on that tight handle, it'll loosen itself up a bit. This kind of did, but you can also tell that I over etched this one because I don't know if you hear that. That would be these stainless steel pins that I put in there for extra weight that I found from my old Stitch V2. They used to not rattle, and then I kind of overcooked it and it started rattling, so it doesn't sound the greatest, but it gives this knife a better balance for me, so I'm happy. And ever since I cleaned this ano and it's actually broken in with oils and everything, it's not nearly as abrasive as it was. So it's honestly just a matte ano, and I am over the moon with it. Genuinely over the moon with it. This might be my new favorite ano for titanium. But yeah, y'all will... Okay. Hurts my fucking soul. Okay. I literally just anodized you and you want to hit the ground, you bastard? Okay. Anyway, y'all will be seeing this knife again next week because I have an unboxing to do today. This video will be releasing after the Starship video. Then after this video will be the unboxing video. So I have 3 videos coming up. One this week, which you will see before this. One next week, which will be this. And one the week after, which will be the unboxing of the new knife that I got, which I'm pretty excited for. So yeah, y'all will be seeing this knife again. You won't be seeing it often, but you will be seeing it again just so you can see how the ano breaks in and whatnot, even though it's literally going to be a couple hours from now. But we'll see. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. And I hope you'd like this color. If someone has a better idea for a different color for this thing, let me know and I'll give it a shot. But yeah. I'm happy. Hope you're happy. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.